Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this golden drip cake. Wow, so shiny. Really easy to make. Start with some melted white chocolate and dip in some biscuit sticks. Let them chill for 15 minutes so the white chocolate sets. Then paint them with gold food colouring. Now get some foil paper made into a slight fan pattern and pour on some melted white chocolate. Chill for 30 minutes. And then carefully peel off the foil and you've got this amazing white chocolate fan. Paint some gold food colouring onto the top half and it looks brilliant. Now get a white chocolate ball and cover it in gold leaf. Layer up your chocolate cake with white buttercream frosting, coating the entire outside as well. Smoothing it out. Ready to decorate with golden coloured chocolate all on the top, letting it drip down the sides. Some marshmallows around the bottom edge. Lovely. Bit of gold food colouring on top of the ganache for a finishing touch. Make a slit in the top and stick in your white chocolate decoration. Some white buttercream piped on there. Lovely. Some smaller white chocolate decorations. And your white chocolate balls. Let's add a few marshmallows on top as well for good measure. And there you have it. Gorgeous, shiny, golden drip cake. Fit for a queen. Brown on the inside and white on the outside. Enjoy! Look at this ultimate caramel cake. Absolutely brilliant. A work of art. Start with a basic vanilla cake and layer it up with caramel buttercream. Now coat it in caramel buttercream. Smoothing it out to create a lovely flat work surface. Now get some caramel popcorn and melted yellow chocolate with a satay stick. Dip the popcorn into the melted chocolate to glue onto the stick. Keep going until you've reached the top. Put that aside to set, and now get some caramel and drizzle it along one edge of your cake. Stick on some waffle pieces. Lovely. Now some caramel popcorn. And caramel toffee. This looks absolutely delicious. Pop in your caramel popcorn decoration. Placing a few more pieces on top of the cake to make it look like it's flowing on top. Some more wafers. More caramel toffee. And then finally, a popcorn bag. And there you have an amazing work of art. Looks like the popcorn is being poured right on top of the cake. Simply slice. Look at that. And enjoy.